started our day at 4 AM in the morning, and we have our breakfast and we prepare ourselves for the big day that we all been waiting for. We all started together, and I should have filmed some of it, but I didn't because we're too into the zone. Like 2 minutes in, I have to take a shit. So I was thinking to myself, I'm not going back. I'm not going to leave everyone in front and go back and take a shit. So I continue on. It took us like an hour or so to get to high camp from Thorong, Pedi. And the thing about me is I'm very constipated. I have a lot of trouble taking shit. So I'd say I had the best shit in my entire life in Nepal, because every morning is so amazing. Doing the trek, you have to take this altitude sickness pill, or Diamox, or is the name, can't really pronounce it. So the thing about Diamox is it's diuretic, so every morning you had a good shit. There's like, whoa. So I have to hold on to my shit for like an hour and a half, because the trek from Thorong, Pedi to high camp is about an hour or 2 hours, I can't remember. I had to hold on to my shit, and I caught up to my friends who was way ahead of me already, and that was the fastest trek I ever did. Come to think of it, yeah. Because of that shit, I have to pull onto the turbo and go fast. That was the fastest I ever been. Yeah, I just want to fill that in. I was thinking if I should put this in the vlog or not, but it's for the memories. Okay, continue on.
Guys, hey, I have so many layers on, and let me flip around. It's so cool. Hey, I can't even see my watch. It's probably about 6:30, I think, and I just passed high camp, and now we're off to the Thorong La Pass. Almost there. And it's so freezing cold. Singaporeans are not built for cold. I have 4 layers on my pants and on my body. I have 2 gloves, 2 socks, 2 hoodie and 1 beanie, and I'm still freezing cold. I'll tell you a story afterwards when I get to Muktinath. But onwards we go, Thorong La Pass. Oxygen here is very low, but I'm managing. I have no headaches, I have no anything else, just shortness of breath because of the low oxygen. But yeah, everything seems fine. Probably have another like 2-3 hours left before we finally reach the pass. It's hard to talk and walk. And my lid now. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta start filming and keep on going. See you on the other side. Guys, this is the big moment for me. My first patch of snow I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna go touch it. Oh wow, snow. Ah, so excited. I've seen snow. Woohoo! The little things. Enjoy the little things. I see the flag. You guys see? I'm almost there. Probably over this hill. I'm there. Check out this. Whew! Wow, what an achievement. Almost there. I've made it. I made it. We've made it. Woo!
And you got these snows. Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
I made
snow?
I made my first snowball.
Yeah, cool.
Made it. I'm so stoked. Made it. Yeah, I'm gonna put my pack down first. Made it. So, celebrate. And Snickers. This is for you, L. It's so good. It's 416 meter. I did it. Behind you?
Đây.
Enjoy. See you.
Yep. Snow, dude. Snow. Ooh, excuse me. Snow. Ooh. Whew. Whew. I'm stoked about that. Snow. 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 It's just everywhere. Okay, I probably spent only 20 minutes here. I'm already ready to go down. It's so cool. Check out the view though. There's a tea house here. Everything is expensive. I just bought a bottle of water for 350 rupee. $3.50. Look at that. The two. Right. Woo! Snow, bros. Snow. There's a sign there. 5,416 meters. Now to go down. Go down is the easiest part. Hopefully. It's probably one of the top achievements I've ever achieved. So surreal, but I can only spend like I think 15 or 20 minutes only up there. I headed back down. It's like 4 hours. We'll probably be down there by 2:30. I'm stoked. I don't even need my sticks. After the pass, there's everything downhill. So you're going like 10 times faster than you were going uphill. Off to Muktinath. We go. Woo. I don't know what to do with my life. Is that a yak? Is that a yak? Oh wow. Yaks. Oh, it's so huge. A long ways down. That's the first village before Muktinath. And there's the path. Guys, it's so fucking daunting. You can see the village, but it takes so fucking ever to go down. I'm just over it already. Just so sick of it. My toes hurt. Just so tired. Fuck! You can see it, but you can't get to it any quicker. I just left the first town down from Thorong Pass. Now I have another like 50-minute-ish to Muktinath. I'm hungry as fuck. I haven't ate anything except for the sneakers right at the top, but it's just there. It's still so fucking far away. I'm so pissed off. I'm so pissed off. Well, you can see it, but it's not coming closer at any time. I just want to eat. Finally in Muktinath. Whew. Now I still gotta go down to get to the main town. Almost there. Almost there. I made it! Oh my god. It's a long day. Technically I've been trekking for 12 hours. Insane. Ugh. Oh my gosh. My feet probably look disgusting. Ew. Stinky feet. Ooh. Oh, okay. So not so bad. Oh, by the way, I haven't showered in 4 days. So I had to use wet wipes to shower. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm gonna take care of that stench, take my lunch, dinner, and hang out with the guys.